Yes, I realize it's upside down. So I figured I'd better get the best possible radiator I can purchase because I do plan on tracking this car a lot more, and I don't plan on keeping the 302 in there forever, and this radiator should be more than enough for any engine that I can put in there. I mean, this thing is beautiful. It's like a work of art. She's looking good. Got the radiator hoses on, threw the fan on, starting to connect up some wires. I'm trying to do like tuck the wires at the same time, or at least get them out of sight as much as possible. This one down here is kind of a pain because that one you really can't hide at all. It just has to go over it. But it's starting to look good. Well, in fashion of using a 5-gallon bucket for coolant, I'm gonna use a cut-off orange juice container for a funnel, because I don't have a funnel still. You guys ready to see how big of a mess I can make? This is about to be it. That is mighty sketchy. This is going a lot more successful than I thought it would. Alright, finally time to start this bad boy, but I gotta open up the doors and it's real cold outside. It just recently snowed. But I want some airflow, so I'm gonna get this fan going on high. I'd rather not die in this garage. Alright, let's get it started. Give it a go. After the car's first real test, the thermostat housing gasket failed, and so it sprayed coolant everywhere. Not really surprised that this type of thing happens. It's cars, so gonna get that fixed here shortly, and then this thing will be up and running, no problem. It's sad seeing all the steam come off of the hot engine, but it's a lot better than the engine exploding just now. See you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Have a good one.